Hello everyone. Today we will talk about Manipal Jaipur in 2026. I am Swatantra Chaudhary, a fourth year student at this college, and a journey that started at 2022 back there come to an end. 2026 is our graduation year, and in just next few months we are about to graduate. Last 4 years are like a different kind of experience. So I think today we will talk about every aspect of this college. And before that, I just take a liberty to introduce me. I'm Swatantra Chaudhary, and as I told you, last 4 years I have been into different genres or different domains of college life, either content creation, either projects, either doing an internship, getting a like placement offer, then resigning a placement offer, then a lot of different things, also getting good grades like 10 perfect GPA, getting about to fail, like I got D grades in many subjects, getting 6 GPA, to all of things. So why I'm telling you this, because I have been through a lot of different things, so I am a versatile head to talk about different genres or domains. I have a bit experience of everything. So let's begin. In the starting, we'll just understand why this college and why I choose this college. To be very frank, when I was in 12th class, I never wanted to do IIT or whatsoever it is. I just looked up for some colleges. I filled a form application, MET, Manipal entrance test, and then I got a rank, and then I got a branch, and I looked up for the campus tour, and I like, oh, this is a great campus. It's a great campus. It's a great building, the dome building, you all know. So I was just like, okay, I want to go there. Or that's how I entered this college. Zero expectation about placements, or zero expectation about anything. I was very sure from the starting of my college day that I never wanted to be in that corporate world, or I never wanted the placements from my first year itself. So why this college? I just told that was a random decision of mine, but it should not be yours, because if you are planning to get into the corporate or trying to do a master's after this, because there's a lot of trend out there about MBA after your BTech, whatsoever it is right now. So this is a bit intro of how all things went. How to get admission into this college? Very simple. Either Manipal entrance test, number one. Secondly, you have option of JEE mains rank or JEE results, then CUET result, and then direct admission. I think on the basis of your 12th percentage. How to do all of these things? MET, Manipal entrance test, you have to fill a form, you have to give exam, you will get a rank. On the behalf of that, you will go through a counseling, and you will just allot with a college, with a branch, either Manipal, Sikkim, Bangalore, or this one Jaipur. So you will just choose, you will not choose, you will get a rank, and then you will get all these colleges and the branch itself. Secondly, for the direct admission, you fill out a form on the website, I think, yes, and then the admission department will reach out to you, and then I think I heard this, that they also conduct a interview, like why you choosing this branch, all of these things. That's not that hard to crack. Okay, so and that's that one two thing. That's one and second thing. And thirdly, I think the admissions will continue till July, I guess, July, August, because last year that is what happened at that year too, if I'm not wrong. Might be. So this is, it's a long process. So this is how you get into this college. Secondly, about academics, I'll tell you one thing. I scored 10 GPA and 9 GPAs throughout semesters after one or two starting semesters. So academics is very easy here. I don't know if they'll change the criteria and change the difficulty level from this year and onwards. But till this year, I think I'm fourth year student. I gave my exams last month, my major presentation and all the things. It's not that hard. You can literally score 9 GPAs just before 1 week of study. I think this is what we all do, all 9 GPA students. Apart from this, in your first year, you will, I'll just drop down the picture of the subjects you will get in your first and second semester. Apart from this, if you want to know about I'll talk about the placements and all those stuff. Moving forward, what about the fees? We all know the name of the college is also metaphor for the amount of the money. So I think this year they increased the price, not the price, the fees. So it's around 4.9 lakh around for the year for your tuition fees. Secondly, the hostel fees is around 1.8 lakh. Then your mess fees is around 75 to 76,000. Then your laundry fees, then your gym fees, then your Wi-Fi fees if it's not free now. All this stuff. So you can calculate 4.9 for tuition, 1.8 for your hostel, 75,000 for your mess, 10,000 around lump sum for your laundry, then gym if you want to do. Is Manipal worth it? At least Jaipur. What's my personal view? I'll tell you one thing. This single statement, is Manipal Jaipur worth it? From my point of view, because I have been in this college last 4 years, is a whole different video, a whole different topic, because it will take a lot of different dimensions to talk about. It will take a lot of different domain, different expectation, and different kind of goals you will ended up in your 4th year. So then we can talk about on the grounds of what were your expectation, what you got in the 4th year, in the end of your graduation. So that's how we can talk about what's the worth of this college or not. So I'm just telling you, if you really wanted a video on that, is Manipal worth it in 2026? From my point of view personally, you can just comment down, and if we get like good number of comments, we will just make a video. And clubs are there: Litmus, then Aperture, then the music club, then a lot more, a lot of club. I'm forgetting the names. Should you join the club? I would say for the first and second semester you can, but if you are really looking up that I'll get socially, I learn communication, I learn how to be more social, all of these things. If you are joining club for just these things, I think you should not. So first, why? Let me elaborate that. Firstly, it will take a lot of time of yours, and on the secondly, it won't provide you a surety that you will ended up with a good communication skill by joining a club. So these two things. But if you are really passionate about photography, if you are really passionate about playing guitar or singing, obviously you should join the music club. Next we will talk about the important thing, that is professors. Yes, from my personal experience, 60 to 70% of professors, I didn't feel like they are that able to make me interest in particular subjects. Let's take an example: XYZ subject with XYZ professor. I rather choose to study that subject 1 week before the exam from the YouTube, rather than attending all the classes, irrespective of I have to attend the classes for my attendance, but not interestingly or without interest, obviously. So that's how things work. But 30% of the professors are great. I'll tell you one thing: college is a play. You have to choose a character and play it throughout 4 years. You don't have to be good, you don't have to be bad, you don't have to be topper, you don't have to be failure. Choose a character, play it semester wise. First semester I want to explore everything. I don't want to play a character of topper. I want just play a normal character. Second semester I want to top the college. Choose a topper personality, play that character and top the college. So college is a play. You have to choose a character and play. That's it. Say, nextly, if I talk about the placement, I think obviously you all wanted to hear that. In my channel, in my playlist or podcast, something, there's a series in which I interviewed or had a podcast with all the great seniors who ended up, getting offers from different companies like Microsoft, Atlassian, PayPal, Dell, Philips. I think yes. So in detail, like 1 to 1.5 hours of detailed conversation with those seniors who cracked the placement itself. So check out those videos. They are really valuable. They will tell you what's the rough roadmap for getting that. Secondly, if you also want to hear about from my personal experience, I'll say there's a word luck, L-U-C-K. It play a different and I think a tangible role in placements. One of my friend, I'll just try if he is comfortable making video with me. He went through this particular example of luck throughout his placement session. I will sit down with him and obviously I ask him to explain all these things about placement. And as far as my opinion is, I think if you are working hard, if you are serious enough, you will get placement. regardless of your package. Let's say there's a company XYZ that's come to our college that pays 3.5 LPA to 4 LPA, mass recruiters obviously. They will take around, this year they took around 500 students, XYZ company at package of 3.5. Yeah, this is about placements. If again you want a detailed video, in this video I'm just giving brief about everything. If comments goes right, they want to hear more about these things, we will make videos. Obviously, why I started this channel, just to help out. When I was entering my college, there was no such creators. That there are obviously few, but not much. Apart from that, I want to drop some helpful resources names here. mujtoppers.in, mujtoppers.in, आप जाके search करिए. It's a website by college students. I was also in the founding team of that website back there. And then it's a great website in which you can find a lot of resources, either PYQ videos or everything for your college resources. You will find, you just go and search subjects, you will find their notes, toppers notes, everything. It's a great website. Apart from that, there's also some YouTube channel that you should at least go through if you want to, like, just be aware of, or just be, get a gist of what the subjects are. And that is there's a video on my channel itself, first year resources, you can check that out too. And still, if you are paying 32 to 35 lakhs for your degree and you are not sure, and if you want to talk one-to-one or over a Google Meet, I'll just drop a link. It's a TopMate link, one-to-one. If you have any query, and if you really want to join this college and have any questions, you can just click that and let's connect over that. That's all for this video. I'll just tell you this: enjoy the ride. It won't last long. College is like a blink of eye. Every day you feel like time is running, and in your 4th year you will feel like it seems yesterday when I entered this college, but now I'm the final year students. So with that note, I think that's all we get. I don't know if we get to live college life twice, but if we live rightly, once is enough. Good day.